Hello everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin Theta confirmed crash but 30% profit from the TRON ETF short position, the TRON down, TRX down. Okay, so first I want to tell you that Bitcoin had a crash today and since the last week, and we are just confirmed by the 2-day candle, and the next is about the TRON. So I told you why we can get profit in the ETF market short position of the Tron because the Tron Bitcoin. And the next I also update you about the Theta. The Theta just break the falling wedge, that we maintain in the last 1 year. Okay, and that's why you need to stay to this channel, to this video, because I want to explain why and how you manage everything is bad. Okay, the first is about the Theta. So the theta, as I told you in my every video that I always buy in here, but now this already set the cut loss and it's already hit the cut loss. That's why you need to exit the market. We don't know for the short term, it's maybe can bounce a bit or not, but seeing the Bitcoin, seeing the nasdaq, everything is bad. I think you need to stay aside from your point for right now. And as I told you that I can be wrong, it's up to you. But for me, if the theta already broke this line that we ever maintain all the time, but we are broke, that's why I think it's a very in the bad condition. And the next about the Bitcoin. Why told you that we are in the very bad? Because the Bitcoin is a king. You can see this. We have two times this pattern. The first is from the all-time high, we maintain this red line. This red line is the second point in here, the retest EMA 55 red line. So retest so many times and then we cannot hold as the support and going down back to purple line. This is the moving average 200. We also happen in the 2020 March due to pandemic COVID. We ever maintain from the all-time high back to this red line, and due to COVID, we are back up to this purple one, but extended correction until the moving average 300 in the green color. Now we are same again in here, and the reason why it's so bad because the weekly close candle yesterday tomorrow and today confirmation the breakdown again, it indicates that we are mimicking the number one, number two, and soon number three. That why we are soon back to the 22K in here somewhere. Maybe it's not at instant. Maybe you need like 2 or 3 months. But in the next 2 until 3 months, I think it's a very high chance that we are back to 22K. Okay, and the next is look here. Why I'm told you that we are in the bad condition. Look, after the crash in here, uh, we have 4 days. The next 4 days always red. So crash from this yellow line. Also we crash from this red line. Red line we ever retest, but now we are break again in here back to the 32.7K. That's why maybe if it is still going to up, it's just to retest this level maybe back to the 36 is still possible, but it's highly unlikely for me. And why? Because now the fear is coming. Everybody is on the fear. Okay, that's why if you seeing that the Bitcoin is in the bed, the Theta in the bed, and why we can still get profit from the Tron, TRX you can find. Look, the Tron just pumped 40% last week. Tron over the Bitcoin. And you can find since the IDO, the last 4 years for the Tron, I've always retesting this and always fail. Always fail. And the question if the Bitcoin is in the very bad condition or not, and why the Trons can go higher from this point? No. That's why the Tron is going to down, and the benefit for us is confirmed as the support. Now we're gonna have find another support in here, the lower low. And how to get profit? You can find in your Binance. So this is the Binance. In the US, you can use the US Binance, or in other country, I think Binance is one of the largest uh, broker. Look, the Tron down. So TRX down or the TRON down in here, if the price is going down, so the TRON down is going up and you can get the profit. So today I just entry this morning the TRON down around the around the around 2.2 or 2.17 around here. And I DCA so many times, but I'm entry larger portion. Why? Because I'm seeing that the Bitcoin is in the very bad condition, especially for the last 3 days. I hope that the Bitcoin can fly in the Monday, in the Sunday, but the Sunday is bad, the Monday is bad. That's why you need to entry the Tron down. And look, in just one day, the Tron going up 31%. Look, this candle and 31% in here. That's why my expectation for the Tron, if the Tron going down, Tron USD also have the strong resistance in here, also in here. I hope that the Tron USD is going down, the Tron Bitcoin is going down, and also the Tron down is can going up. At least it's almost from my entry 2.1, yeah, maybe back to the 7 US dollars, so almost 3 times. So almost 3 times, so 300% during the bear market, and you get the money and you enter again your spot market, the Bitcoin when everything is crashed, you get the money from the front down, and after that you can buy again. And my expectation that the crash at least until the August. So I think the August, maybe the late August, another crash. So we have the crash. After that, we are going to up to retest. But if we fail, we are going down again. Okay, or maybe it's possible after this one, maybe in the June we are going up, and after that we are going down again. It's still possible. But the market is look very bad. Why? Because every time we close below this red line, we always going to the purple one. Fell in here, going to here. Fell below the red line, going to purple line. Now we are fell in the red line again. And the question is, if in here we are going down, how about this one? That's why it's the very risky. If you buy your altcoin now, it's better for you to wait. But if you are asking me whether the bulls is still continue, yes, at least around the October. Around the October in here, we can back again in here. It's still possible. So after in here, we have in here, and maybe on the October until the next year, the Bitcoin 100K is still possible. That's why you need to calm down, and I think you need to be patient. That's the people who buy in here is very smart. People buy in here is very smart. That's why you have the chance to become very smart buying. That's why I'm still waiting, and meanwhile I'm waiting buying the Tron down is the best option for me for now. For me, why? Because this altcoin still at the expensive because they are going up crazily year to date all-time high in here. But we test in here, test in here. That's why still has the high possibility to still going down in here. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumbs up button. Thank you.